Gonna take the hooks off. They're not gonna take the hooks off. I'm about to go with the hooks on it. After they put the cable on, they're just gonna leave the hooks on.
Hit him, nigga. Scary ass nigga. You gotta call somebody else. That nigga scary. Oh, he hit him, he hit him, he hit him. He hit him. Get that nigga, hit him. Get him, get off. Oh, he hit him in the head. That nigga gangster. Oh, he hit him in the head. Hit him. Boom. Hit him. Boom, hit him. That boy, that's from West Bank. Hit him in the head. Ooh. You pushing him. Get over here. You ain't going in that dumpster, boy. Try to get in that dumpster over there. Yeah, get over here. What's wrong with you? Get in this hole right here. Hit him. Hit him. Oh, you grabbed him? Where your rat buddies at?